Welcome to the world of Jamaican vlog shorts. Hey everyone! I'm thrilled to introduce you to the captivating world of Jamaican vlog shorts. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, a culture lover, or simply seeking some vibrant entertainment, these videos are sure to leave you mesmerized. Join us on this virtual journey as we explore the breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture of Jamaica, all condensed into bite-sized vlogs that will transport you to the heart of the Caribbean. Immerse yourself in the rhythmic beats of reggae music, indulge in mouth-watering Jamaican cuisine, and witness the warmth and hospitality of the Jamaican people. These vlog shorts are the perfect way to experience the essence of Jamaica, even from the comfort of your own home. From the bustling streets of Kingston to the serene beaches of Negril, our talented vloggers will take you on an unforgettable adventure, showcasing hidden gems, local traditions, and breathtaking natural wonders that will leave you in awe. So, get ready to be captivated by the vibrant colors, infectious energy, and irresistible charm of Jamaica. Whether you're seeking inspiration for your next vacation or simply want to broaden your horizons, these Jamaican vlog shorts are the perfect escape. Don't forget to hit that follow button to stay updated with the latest vlog shorts, and feel free to share your thoughts, questions, and recommendations in the comments below. Let's embark on this exciting